music. Is that for YouTube?
Oh, well, it could be, I don't know. Today we're in a VH Commodore doing a test. VK Commodore. One of Holden's finest vehicles ever mass produced on the market.
I think they've done about like
great seller.
45 cars.
45.
But then they've stopped making these models.
1,000 million billion cars they made.
For the VBs.
This one's a runner. It's all good.
For the VBs, they've done like over 7 million.
$7 million.
No, million of cars.
7 million of cars. They've done 7 million of them.
Yep. So they've got pictures. I've got the original book of the history of Holden. And there's a story behind this car. Before it was mine, it was my dad's brother's car.
Your uncle?
It was my uncle's car, and he used to drive it to work and from work, all the way back to Nana's place, to his house, then till Rego expired. Now I've got it.
Being lovingly looked after and cared for. Yep. There it is, folks. VK Commodore.